Today was really fun because we learnt about how the cameras worked and the ISOs and the shutter speed and exposures, and there's actually a lot of things that go into taking pictures, well, taking good pictures. And here at Fujifilm they gave us cameras and it was really amazing. They gave us full batteries and they gave us space and everything, and we could really just do what we wanted. It was very free and just a lot of fun. I loved going to there by the park because you could run around in the grass and I could go to the flowers and I saw some bees, and we could really just do what we want and experiment with depth of field because we had a lot of space to do our own thing. And yeah, it was just a lot of fun actually, everything. Well, I didn't know that there was a fridge inside of the warehouse, and so that was interesting. We didn't find any bodies, don't worry, but we did see that some things need to be kept under the right temperature, and we were really excited about all the Instax cameras because that's all the hype for teenagers these days. And yeah, it's hard to steal from there, don't try it, I don't recommend it. Photography to me is about capturing the moment and having everything that happens in a moment and then having the memory later, because in 10 years we're going to want to remember these moments, and without the cameras we're just going to be able to kind of think about it, but we won't really remember how the people were dressed and how they were laughing and their smiles. And it's just nice to be able to look back and say, oh, I remember that, and give you a small smile and just remember what it was like.